Hey everybody, Scott here from Camco. Today I'm going to tell you about Eaz-Lift's Trailer Safety Chain and 7-way plug hanger. First, be sure to click like and subscribe and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on another new Camco video. Camco's Trailer Safety Chain and 7-way plug adapter helps to organize your towing equipment by keeping your safety chains and your electrical harness off the ground while your trailer is parked or in storage. The hanger features 2 loops on either side for your safety chain hooks and a middle slot for your 7-way plug. The slot is angled downward to help avoid water damage to your plug. It's made of durable aluminum and fits 3-bolt A-frame style tongue jacks. To install, all you need is a 9/16 inch wrench to attach the hanger using your tongue jack's existing 3/8 inch front bolt. So there you have it, Eaz-Lift's Trailer Safety Chain and 7-way plug hanger from Camco. If you don't have one, you should get one today. It won't leave you hanging.
Camco.net.